So welcome to a brand new episode of The Art of Affiliate Management. We are here in the affiliate world Asia. Friendly people just got greeted here by the portier. And next to me is the lovely Anastasia from ClickDealer. Today I'm interviewing not an affiliate manager, but she is the event manager and travel planner of ClickDealer since many years. And it's of course a very important part of affiliate management to present your brand in the right way. And I think she's a true expert in this. So we prepared some questions and we will go through this, and I hope you can take off some nice informations for this. So for the people who don't know you, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so as Stefan said, I'm Anastasia Bogurskaya. I'm working with ClickDealer for 7.5 years already. I'm started in PR team and to work for a long time, and one of my major activities is to organize events for our dearest partners. As well, with that, I'm attending a lot of conferences. I'm in charge of lead generation at these events, and also I'm in charge of loyalty program.
I mean, ClickDealer is a well-known brand, but if somebody does not know it, what is ClickDealer?
ClickDealer. It's a GDM Group company. That's a global marketing company that provides performance marketing solutions for advertisers, for publishers and agencies worldwide. And along with huge portfolio of direct offers and exclusives, we also provide artificial algorithm that monetizes dating and iGaming inventory with one link, ClickDealer Smart Link.
Okay, big group, definitely. So you are doing this in 7.5 years, and in this time you saw for sure very nice things, but you also had your challenging moments. What are the biggest challenges when you have to organize events?
Well, when you organize something, doesn't matter what, you're working with people. So every time you cannot control any step of the event. There are a lot of different moments. For example, people cannot understand some words when you are mailing them. I mean, they could understand another way. Also, when you're working in this industry is very changing and growing all the time. And I think it's the main thing is not to be afraid of asking, because you cannot know everyone and everything. So it's normal. It's a challenge every day, actually.
Mm. And you do these events and these meetups not just for fun. You do this also to get a benefit out of it. You use the events that the affiliate managers and the advertiser managers, but we speak now mostly about the affiliate managers, get some benefits from this. So what are the big benefits that they have, and how you are assuring that ClickDealer is making a good return of invest from this sometimes very big investments?
Yeah, I do believe that when the atmosphere at the event is relaxed, of course, during the conference, you can meet a lot of people at your booth, but usually you're exchanging contacts, and after a week, after a few days, after the conference, you are making follow-up. But it's all about business only. Somebody you know already, and you can talk not about business, but at the events we are trying to create the atmosphere very friendly. And I think when you are working with people and when you are talking not only about business, it's easier to make deeper connection, to build a strong relationship with your clients, because sometimes everybody has growing, falling down in business, but when you're a friend to your client, you can provide more exclusive.
Friends with benefits, huh?
Yeah, friends with benefits. Yeah, you can provide more exclusive offers. You can provide more exclusive approach, more individual. Actually, that's the main feature of our company, to individual approach to everyone.
I mean, you do events yourself, but you also sponsor a lot of things. Thank you very much for the invitation to Conversion Club, by the way, then just to make some name dropping. What you prefer, to sponsor events or to host them yourself?
Yeah, well, as for me, of course, I prefer to make events because I love it. But We are on the market more than 10 years. Everybody knows us, so we don't need to create our reputation. We don't need so much PR. Maybe to make a party for us now, it's like showing off. So now, yeah, we prefer sponsoring some events because it's easier. You are not wasting so much money, so a lot of budgets. You are not wasting time. A good team of other companies like Conversion Club or ABC Club or some like that, like winter events, they are doing all work, and we're coming like after the conference day.
And everything is set.
And everything
you
is
jump
set,
in a maiden
smooth,
bed.
yeah, and you can get the same result with sponsoring such events.
Maybe it's for finding new partners even better, because these people invite different people than when you host your own event. You make your own event, you invite your best partners there, blah blah blah, people that you know. But these people bring in new blood to the company.
Yeah, like a few sponsors at one event, and you can share. Like, sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. Yeah, Teilen macht Spaß. So, what is in your eyes a good event? What has to be offered there that you say this is a success? Not from the outcome in the end, because this is in the hand of other people, but from you. When you are satisfied with an event.
Do you remember the Barcelona event in 2019 when
yes.
The party was all at
3
a.m.?
Right?
Yeah, white light night. It was all at 3 a.m. And after that, everyone was standing in the street close to the club more than 1 hour and talking. So it doesn't matter how much you are tired. It doesn't matter how much at what hour you need to wake up the next day and to go to the conference or something like that. It's the atmosphere. We are creating the atmosphere, and with love. The atmosphere is the main. Of course, you can bring like the best champagne, some kind of weird entertainment to express. But I think that atmosphere and interaction of our team with our clients, our potential clients, with our affiliates and advertisers is the main thing.
So this event was really carried by the interaction and the atmosphere that was created there. But this is something that you also can influence, of course, but you never have a guarantee.
Never.
It's a different thing when you have it in your hand. You said like the most expensive champagnes, and I think you gave out also a car at a certain point or something like this.
Yeah.
What was in this 7.5 years the most spectacular thing that you had to organize?
This car that we had a very huge competition, and the main prize was Porsche Taycan. So the party was in Kiev and in Ukraine, and I rented a very nice place, but and they gave me all characteristics of this gate where the car should be driving, should be delivered to our party place. But of course, always you cannot predict all details, and it was a real challenge when my colleague Kate from our PR team, brand manager, she was driving this car, so it was rented from our friends in Kiev, and she was driving this car without any size glasses, and it was like a party place very low. And she needed to go down, and we put construction, but it was like two I don't know, wooden pieces.
Wooden pallets where they transport the stuff.
Yeah, but it was so dangerous, really. Like one
Imagine the car would crash.
Yeah, one wrong move and it will be spoiled. And it's very expensive car. And of course, it's 5 hours before the event.
Somebody should get it.
Yeah, but she was worrying a lot, but she is a great driver, and thanks God, everything's fine.
But how you made it in the end? The person that got the car, it was directly taking the car from the event, or what? This person had to stay sober, or how you made it?
Unfortunately, our winner, he was not at the event.
Okay.
He is a German guy, as I remember.
It was unfortunately not me.
Yeah, unfortunately. He was affiliate, and yeah. So we purchased this car in Germany for him.
Okay.
And this car was was safe and
So the
returned
one
back.
in Kiev was practically like a
It was rented.
representative.
It was
Okay,
rented.
I understand
Yeah.
it.
So we just returned it back. But there are, like, every event you have some challenges. For example, when I rent this place in Spain for White Light Night, I didn't know that it's in the middle of Spanish village, actually. And everybody attended Affiliate World Barcelona for many years, and they didn't realize that close to this venue there is such nice place, this like authentic Spanish village, and La Terraza.
I was there, and it was really like a great night, and I still have from back then some sunglasses that are blinking also with batteries. So you run around with a long cable and a battery pack, and for this you have like blinking sunglasses. Yeah, great idea. But you know, drunk people love this kind of stuff.
Yeah,
And nowadays
yes.
on every wedding you have a photo booth with like stupid masks and all this kind of things.
Yeah.
So speaking about events, I'm now a tiny bit involved into that as well. There's the AW Summit in Bucharest.
Yeah.
And this is also where we met a few months ago. And William, our good friend William, and me, we are like on their advisor board to make it more attractive for affiliates. So it was for a few years a show focused on video chat, and it shifted a few years ago towards affiliation. But of course, this is not happening from one day to another. So what do you think is for affiliates, to attract affiliates, because this is the ones that we want to kiss the ass the most, beside ourselves. What is the most important thing for affiliates to attend an event? What motivates them to come to a show?
You mean like what kind of entertainment, alcohol, or...
It's still for me a bit unclear if they come for the education, for the network, for the parties, Bucharest, Romania, maybe also for the girls. I mean, of course, everything is relevant, but where is maybe where you have to put the most focus?
Well,
nowadays.
I remember that AW Summit, they have a perfect organization of events, and actually, like, as I told, the atmosphere, it should be the atmosphere that should be created, and a good PR, it works. I think that now it's very popular, the influence marketing. So if you bring some people, some influencers who will be saying who like important people for affiliates, and if they say saying that yeah, it's important event to attend, it's a cool place, I'm sure that people listen to other people.
And it's like influencers in general from this industry, like super affiliates, let's say, or is it more the speakers that are there and saying like, come, I speak there?
Both. I think that both, because it's not about like, yeah, I'm scrolling Instagram and just advertisement like this. It's not interesting. Like, yeah, okay, I saw the pic, the image, and it's not interesting. But when somebody's like making a video or saying at the conference, okay, I need to say that if you want to find good business, you should go to this event. And yeah, if they respect this person, they will listen to him or her.
Yeah, I mean, there are quite a good bunch of good guys out there. So this is all the good things. What were things that you were seeing in the years that you said like, this is really embarrassing, or things that you should never do on a show?
I really don't like when teams are coming. We're discussing with you as well that when teams, they are coming to the shows, to the parties, and they don't mingle with each other. So I think that when you're at the event, you should be like not only with your team. You know your team. You can hang out with them later, or like as usually it's in our company, like the party is over and after our team gathers together at 5 a.m. or something like this at the lobby. And yeah, so please move, like make these circles, meet new people, make new acquaintances. Also, when people, for example, a person sees that somebody is making these circles and they don't react, some of them like standing very keeping the distance, and you feel this distance. But here we're coming for the shows not to keep this like distance between people. No, like we should be more open for communication.
when I was not, I mean, this is also comfort zone, and I'm very outgoing person, but also for me, it's sometimes hard when I go to a show where I'm not familiar too much with the vertical.
Sure.
And there are like a lot of people that I don't know and I don't have any connection there. It's sometimes hard. And it was, for example, now in Malta, very interesting at the Pinup Partner event. It was for the first 3 hours or so, it was really, everybody was like in their group. When they were looking like, we don't want to have anybody there.
Yeah.
But after 3 hours, the atmosphere softened up or eased up so much. And when you were at the bar, literally everybody came to you at the bar, said, let's have a shot
They
together.
became drunk.
Yeah, but it was still like in a level that you could talk business. So this was amazing. I think I never made so much connections like in this last 2 hours at this event. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For your thoughts about events.
Thank you.
And I wish you a good time here now in Asia.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.